Many adult children stay dependent because they never learned the basics. Laundry, cooking, cleaning tasks that sound small but mean freedom. Parents often assume their child will figure it out, but in reality, most avoid what feels intimidating. Step 1. Laundry 101. Show them how to separate colors, measure detergent, use settings on the washer and dryer. Then step back. Give them full responsibility for their own clothes starting today. Step 2. Cooking basics. Choose 3 simple meals: pasta, chicken, and vegetables, stir fry. Cook them together once. Then ask your child to cook those meals for the family over the next 3 weeks. Repetition builds confidence. Step 3. Cleaning routine. Walk through the house and assign full responsibility for a space: bathroom, kitchen, or living room. Show how to use the products once, then leave it to them weekly. Step 4. Adult to-do list. Make a checklist: grocery shopping, making appointments, filling out forms, renewing insurance. These are everyday skills. Each week, let your child take over one task. Recap. Small skills equal big independence. Laundry, cooking, cleaning, and errands. Teach responsibility step by step.